Welcome to the Village at Rose State College. Living on campus is an exciting and valuable part of your college experience. The Village at Rose State is the college's only on-campus housing option, offering 4 different options to fit your specific needs. For our first option, we have the apartment style that includes a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom for 2 students. Each person has their own bedroom and bathroom with a shared common space and kitchen. Option 2 is the 4-bedroom, 4-person apartment. Each student has their own bedroom, with the 2 bathrooms shared by 2 students each. Students will have a shared common space and kitchen. Our first pod option is a 2-bedroom, 4-person pod. Each room will host 2 students with 2 bathrooms shared by 2 students each. The common area and kitchen are shared by all suite mates. The second pod style is a 3-bedroom, 6-person pod, with each bedroom hosting 2 students. All 6 suite mates will share the common area, kitchen, and a communal bathroom. Living on campus here at Rose State is a great way to make the most of your college experience. From academic support to social opportunities, everything you need to succeed is right here. We can't wait to welcome you.